It's Patrick from Pals. This is the way air conditioning is supposed to look on a classic car. This is a 1966 Corvette with a 427. It has factory air, and we just put another compressor onto this car and changed it over from R12 to R134 so that it will cool properly with today's refrigerant. If you have a classic car, bring it to Pals. We'll make it cold for you. If your car doesn't have air conditioning, that's something that we can add at Pals. Air conditioning systems are available for all classic cars, and we have technicians that have the knowledge to put it into your classic car. If you live in Florida, bring your classic car to Pals, and we'll put air conditioning in it so that you're cool when it's 100 degrees out. See you soon.